today at Pride of Longbridge at Crofton Park, and oh my god, there are cars everywhere. I really don't think I'm going to be able to film half of the cars here today. Peggy's got a few bits of memorabilia set up.
Yeah, I'll pick it up on Monday. Alright, no worries.
Things you might not have seen before is the original sales documents I've got for Peggy. Lyndon's Metro is here for sale. If it doesn't sell today, this is the information you need if you want to buy it. So where do we start? There's a lot of minis there. What looks like Rover 75s? I can never tell from a distance. They could be 45s or a mix. Definitely 75s there. It really is all sort of mixed up. So I think the first place to start is the ice cream van. No, I'm only joking. I'm just going to do it row by row. So let's start here. I'm not going to really stop at anyone's car unless I really like it, because there's just so many cars. Loads and loads of minis. I'm going to put the camera right low down because they're low down. You're probably about the height of a child right now. One with the bonnet up. Look at that A series crammed in there. Not as spacious as an Allegro. That's lovely, shiny black. That's one of those special edition models. It's got that special badge on. Is this an A40? Yes, A40 Somerset. Fantastic. The Flying A. That's lovely, that. Look at the smooth lines. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that one. Very nice. Traveller.
That's just like it's come off the assembly line.
That's beautiful, that.
Wow.
Look at that lovely fin.
You're alright, you've still got it then. I know you're people.
Lovely, absolutely beautiful.
I spoke to you some years ago at Walsall Arboretum and those.
Now that is really nice.
You're on about selling it then?
Sorry. Oh, sorry. Nearly walked into a lady carrying coffee. That was a bad idea, wasn't it?
No, that's the thing.
Wow, wonky writing. Wolseley 1550? Is that what it says? Yeah, 1550.
Oh, well.
Don't think I've seen one of these before. I guess it's sort of like an MG magnet. Is it? I'm sure you can correct me in the comments. A couple of Wolsleys. Interesting perspex screen on there, perhaps to protect the radiator. I think this is a Wolseley 1500. My friend was trying to convince me to buy before I bought a P4. I like them, but they're not for me really. spoilt here. We got another one. So there's one for me and one for Chris, obviously. Oh, I think Chris would rather take this one home, wouldn't you, mate? I do like zooming in on the Flying A. That's great, isn't it? Oh look, P4 and a P6. I'm sorry, there's just too many minis, but I will run over here
Said that it'd have to go off the road.
and look at this Austin A35. Of course. Fantastic. And of course, I know it's an A35 because young Oliver told me in one of my other videos. Brilliant. Okay, so mini overdose and a little Frog Eye Sprite. So looking at the badge on here, we've got Rover Sports Register. I think these cars are from the Rover Sports Register. Look at that. Beige leather interior. Of course, I don't need to film any of this for Joseph because he's here somewhere. Filming as well, I imagine. See, Rover Sports Register badges. Oh look, and he's got one of the new Wins International badges on. Doesn't look too bad on, does it? Better than having a horrible crusty one. 95, very shiny. This is what Jessie could look like, but I think I prefer her as she is. And it's got the later dash on this one. Hello, Mark. It's Mark Gray from MGB Parts.
Hello.
Here he is. What are you in today? This one. Has this one got a name?
Workhorse, yeah.
What's his name? Workhorse, is that it?
ZTT.
It's ZTT. Oh yeah, it's on the number plate. How are you?
I'm alright, how are you?
So this is the Rover Sports Register gathering. There's a few more to come on this stand yet, as you can tell, because it's empty. Mark Gray just said they're expecting 1,500 cars or something. I mean, it's pretty full now, isn't it? Right, let's go along this row now. Is that Montego Estate that we saw at Malvern? What's this? Roder car, and it's left-hand drive.
We got the kit to do the timers.
Oh, excuse me, extreme close-up. It doesn't give a lot away, does it? Apart from it says do not touch. Okay, I won't touch. Bulgaria. Okay, must be where it's from. There's a bit of MG turbo here.
MGF. But,
Yeah.
You know, he said, oh, I'll pick
Do you remember, what's he called, that? Colin?
Another Montego Estate. Wow. And this one looks like it's well used, I think is the word. Running in. I think it's had its running in. I think it's very running. Actually, let's go and have a look, see what the mileage is, see if it shows us. Wow, 240,524 miles. Fair play. That's impressive. fact, it says Million Mile Montego. There's a lot of information about it there, but I have no time for that. This looks like Henley Blue, the same as Henry. Wow, less than 20,000 miles on the clock. That's fantastic. 2 litre. Yeah, that's cool. Rover 800 Vitesse. What a lovely pair. Oh, speaking of lovely, we've got another P6, a P5 and a Triumph Dolomite. Cool. Some Rover 600s. Wow, I've never seen so many Rover 600s. This one's drawn me in. It's very clean and tidy and obviously well loved. Look at the interior. Fantastic. Beautiful. Very clean. I've also seen this one around, I think at Malvern. Snazzy spot lamps. Ooh, little Riley Elf, is it? Oh no, Wolseley Hornet. My bad. Lots of minis. They're lost in 7 over there by the looks of it. Maybe a chummy or something. All up on the old ones. Oh, there's the All Sorts Club. That Rover convertible, we saw that one in Malvern. This isn't a classic car show. This is Pride of Longbridge. Cars that were built at Longbridge and cars that weren't built at Longbridge but are here to celebrate Longbridge. And we've got a lovely Allegro estate here, complete with sheepskin seat covers. He's just fitted one of my stickers to his car. I don't know much about the MGTFs and Fs and things. They don't excite me much. But obviously I appreciate them for what they are. My goodness. Look at all the cars. And this lovely coupe. Very nice. And the Tomcat. There is some nice cars here today. That one's for sale. reduced to 1300. Don't tempt me.
No, I charged the battery up overnight. When I put it back on the car, I did the first colour.
MGTF Midlands. What? Effers? Is that the name of their club?
They're lovely, aren't they?
See you later. Yeah, he's got. I mean, I'll sit here. Maybe something like an LED light on it.
Oh, somebody's alarm's going off. Oh, that's for sale as well. Only £3,000. Bargain. Well, that's going to be annoying, beeping through the whole video. Ah, there we are. Don't know what set it off. There we are. Somebody took the engine out and put a wheel in instead. That's very clean. Yeah, I've never worked on one of these and I wouldn't like to because the engine's in here somewhere. Look over there. There are so many. Sorry about the wind noise. I couldn't fit my muffler on with the gimbal. I'm gimbling at the moment. I think I'm going to bimble back to my car for a cup of tea. Mini. Time for tea. You'll be dying to see part 2. Thanks for watching.